guys, so today we're going to be opening two special monster trucks I've always wanted to open. Did I say to open? Okay, so yeah, today we're going to be opening these monster trucks. And besides, kind of feel bad for the people that think it's I can't even read backwards on the camera. Like it might say Scar. I don't even know. Okay, so yeah, but these are monster trucks. Just ignore that. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna be opening monster trucks. So I'm gonna choose. Actually, you know what? I'm actually just gonna close my eyes and choose. Okay, Okay. Oh, I guess I'm opening this one first. Okay, let's open it. Now, I forgot to mention that the name of this one is Devil Derby, but it says Invader. Okay. And actually, this is the toxic guy. I'll show you the actual guy. Well, I actually don't see. Oh, right here. So this is the normal guy, and yeah. So these are the two guys. This guy's the toxic, and this guy's the normal. But he's boring, so. And this one is going right in this bucket. So next, we got, where did I put the crushed card? Okay, so next we got, we have this guy. Okay, so let's open up. Wait a minute. So now, first let's just see what I'm gonna get. Well, I'm supposed to get. I'll give you 10 seconds to look at them. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay. So yeah, I already have Steer Clear him. I'm actually just unboxing him. And that guy. Wait, no, not him. I don't have him either, but I do have Jason's Snap. Okay. So yeah, let's. Okay. So obviously we have a crushed car. Let's see how good he can crush these cars. Let's connect it. Maybe let's connect it right here. Okay. Okay, and crush. Oh, he actually did it. Okay. Get this out of here. Okay, anyway. Now, guys, just to say, these videos are kind of hard to find and a bit long. Actually, the first one I made, with, Bigfoot is, We're now is 8. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you had a great time. Let's go into this book again. And see you later. Bye. Bye.